I'm very excited, very happy to introduce you to Dew. He's a software engineer at Sanko, a layer 3 gaming platform and social network, and also he's behind Sanko TV, a super cool and fun streaming platform. So yeah, let's give him an applause.
Hello, everyone. I'm Dew. I'm an engineer here at Sanko. Wanted to give a shout out to Arbitrum, and thank you guys for having us. This is awesome. And this is Sanko's Simple Thesis Worldwide Professional Developers Conference 2024. Let us usher in the great golden age of development by thoroughly applying the Off-Chain Labs blob-oriented idea on orbit architecture. Now, what is Sanko? Sanko was started with the idea of making a project about our love for old video games. It started around 2 years ago with our first NFT collection, and the idea was to bring back some of the classic titles from Sanko from the 80s and 90s. Sanko being one of the former big gaming publishing giants of the 80s and 90s that now went defunct in the Y2K era due to a variety of bad business decisions. However, they have a vast library of amazing titles that we wanted to bring back. From our dream machine of arcade games to our crypto-native streaming platform, Sanko has turned into a multimedia conglomerate of gaming and social experiences. And now, with our Arbitrum Orbit Layer 3 chain, we now have a network of developers and creatives focused on building fun on-chain applications. Now, as I said before, Sanko is an Arbitrum Orbit Layer 3 chain, and this uses Arbitrum AnyTrust. AnyTrust is a fork of Arbitrum Nitro, and Sanko settles all of our data onto Arbitrum 1. One benefit of being a Layer 3 is that it's a very fast and cheap EVM. Send fees are approximately 1/5 of a cent, and swap fees are approximately 1 to 2 cents. And this is priced in DMT, which is the native gas token of our network. Cheap fees are super important for chains like ours, which is a gaming chain, where users have to do a lot of interactions at a very quick rate. Our block times are also super quick, around 250 milliseconds. One issue that some Layer 1 and Layer 2 blockchains have is that gas fees spike. We can't afford to have that on our chain, especially where users are gaming and doing a lot of different transactions. And now, with Arbitrum Stylus, this will allow developers to write smart contracts in popular programming languages such as Rust, C, and C++. So, Arbitrum's permissionless tech stack means that development is no longer dependent on a gated community of insiders and VCs. Arbitrum Orbit, the technology that we use, puts the most performant infrastructure in the hands of grassroots projects like us, Sanko. One specific example is that we tapped into Arbitrum's SDK and Caldera's infrastructure to create our own native bridge site. What's super cool about this is that the tech is permissionless. We can just use Arbitrum's SDK, which is open source, use that in our code, and plug into the contracts deployed on our chain to create the bridge site. It's super cool. We believe that this can best be summarized by the end of the infrastructure bubble. We believe that value is determined by users bottom up and not determined by top down via a cap table saying what the FDV of a project is. Nowadays, in 2024, unlike the previous cycle, there's nearly infinite and cheap block space. However, we need to give users a reason to use this block space. Networks are only valuable if they can create a fully immersive web of user applications. Arbitrum democratizes this infrastructure and allows us, a leaner and experienced team, to focus on building fun on-chain applications instead of focusing on the infra. Arbitrum allows us to create a fully self-contained ecosystem of fun crypto-native experiences. Now this is the bun. And here he is with his hamburger hat. This little guy is from Sanko Pets. Sanko Pets is our first flagship game released on Sanko. It's a fully immersive 3D pet game. Here, users can collect and raise buns, farm tasty crops, swag their bun out, play mini games, and socialize. So you can see here, I have my Chicky bun with the FBI hat, the Mog glasses, and the lean cup. Very fun. We believe, also, I should mention, all the buns are NFTs. And these NFTs minted out on Sanko in just over 24 hours and is one of the biggest reasons that tens of millions of dollars of liquidity was bridged to our chain. Now, buns are all NFTs, and they have their own token-bound accounts powered by ERC 6551. So in addition to the various stats and traits that each bun has, as most NFTs have, they also have their own wallet that can hold assets and interact with our applications. Essentially, it's like an NFT that has the same rights as any other Ethereum user. One way to think about it is it's like if each bun had its own memory card. The various fruits and clothing and assets in our game are all also NFTs. As you can see in the screenshot, my dev bun has a hamburger hat, sombrero hat, New York Yankees cap, some fruit, some seeds, and another bun, because you can send a bun to another bun. Why not? Now, all of these are NFTs, and these can be sent to other buns or any other wallet. Now, whenever these buns are bought or sold, so I can send it to one of my friends, or I can buy and sell it on SudoSwap, all the assets attached to the bun go with it. So if I sell my dev on SudoSwap, the owner of that who buys it will get the hamburger hat, all these assets. However, a lot of the time when you buy a bun on SudoSwap, it's naked and stripped of all of its assets. Now, in the Sanko Pets universe, the island serves as the bun's personal sanctuary where it hangs out for a lot of the day. Buns eat, sleep, and can unwind from their adventures in the universe and hang out in their own customizable, unique island. Now, each bun also has its own farm. Farms are a place where buns can plant seeds and get a variety of different delicious fruits from the yield. Each bun has 25 different plots on the farm, so the possibilities for the fruits are endless. I like to focus on harvesting the heart fruits because that increases the speed of the bun, and I want my bun to be super fast. And now, in honor of Arbitrum Day, we'll be debuting our first massive multiplayer online space called the Bella Ciao. The Bella Ciao is our in-game nightclub in Sanko Pets. Here, buns can meet, dance, and engage in lively conversation while sipping on specially crafted bun cocktails. This bun is a skillful farmer. Here he is, tending to his crops, reaping the fruits of his labor. And now, the Sanko Pets economy. So in the Sanko Pets universe, we have a whole in-game economy, and that's all powered by Sanko Gold. Sanko Gold is an ERC20 that powers the in-game economy. This gives the bun the right to acquire a vast array of goods, such as fruit, clothing. As you can see in this screenshot, you can use gold to buy seeds, some slop to feed your bun, as well as some funky glasses. You can also use gold in our Grand Bazaar. The Grand Bazaar is the peer-to-peer trading exchange in Sanko Pets. Here, buns can barter, buy, and sell a vast array of goods. They can sell and buy anywhere from fruits and clothing to rare artifacts, such as the hamburger hat. All of these in-game assets that you can see in the shop are NFTs, and you can sell and buy them on any NFT marketplace like SudoSwap. And here is the World is Yours fountain, available in the bun shop for 150 gold. Moving on to our next big application on Sanko, which is Sanko TV. Sanko TV is the place for creators to stream their content and seamlessly monetize it on-chain. Think about it like a fun, financialized social layer built and powered by Arbitrum. As you can see here, we have a streamer getting tips, a glizzy, which I believe is 0.0025 ETH. Yeah, glizzy is one of our fun gifts that you can gift out to streamers. Here is the homepage of Sanko TV. You can see the price feed at the top, or the activity feed, where people buy and sell passes, as well as all the current live streams that are up. Now, in traditional Web 2 streaming platforms, such as YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch, these platforms take up to 50% of tip revenue, which is insane. Sanko TV takes a fraction of that. Having worked at TikTok previously, I saw the flaws in the legacy systems, and I wanted to create a product that I would use myself. And now, censorship resistance is one of the biggest themes in crypto. However, it's ironic that we all post on platforms that are easily censored, such as Twitter. Sanko TV provides a path for creators to express themselves without fear of censorship. Now, Sanko TV is really powered by a peer-to-peer gifting economy. You can gift users, which unlocks user minutes for other people to watch the stream, or you can buy passes to view people's exclusive content and use their custom emotes. Here, you can see a leaderboard of all the top streamers on Sanko with a variety of categories. We have the top views, top streamers, top gifted, and top simps. I wouldn't show this leaderboard if I wasn't the top simps myself, but it is public. And now, moving back to the chain. I want to give a shout out to some of the Sanko builders on our chain. We have Funko Tech, which is a meme coin launcher using a bonding curve. So if the market cap reaches a certain threshold, it gets deployed to Camelot, which is our native DEX on the chain. We have Dreambot, which is a Telegram bot used to trade and buy coins on DEXs, as well as Scatter, which is our NFT launchpad and custom NFT deployer. Also give a shout out to some of our partners. We have Parsec Finance, which powers Sanko Tools. Sanko Tools is a really cool and customizable block explorer. We have Caldera, Rollup as a service. We love you guys. Wouldn't be here without you. We have SudoSwap, which is our main NFT marketplace on the chain, so we can buy and sell buns and various items, as well as Camelot, which is our main native DEX on the chain. So now I'll be jumping into a little demo to showcase some of our tech in Sanko Pets. So Sanko Pets is our main flagship chain, main flagship game of the chain. So you can just go to sanko.pet. Here we go. Doing a live demo. Hope this all works well. So here is the island where your pet is habited. Give it a little refresh to load. Here I have my dev bun. Here he is rocking his very rare Grail hamburger hat, strutting around the island. And it's cool. It uses it's during the daytime in Brussels right now, so the bun is hanging out in the daytime. Here, just walking around. And yeah, we can jump into Sanko Dex. So Sanko Dex is where you can see all the buns you haven't unlocked. I have quite a few to unlock, but you can see all the buns that I have right here. So I can click onto my Chicky. My Chicky is my daily driver, try to max out the stats. He's got the FBI hat, the Pit Vipers, and the Bun of the Year cup, which I won from the wheel. Very proud of that. So yeah, you can see all the items he has, as well as the World is Yours fountain, which of course you can buy in the bun market for 150 gold. So let's jump into the farm. Here, you can see Chicky's lovely farm, a bunch of different crops. So here is the heart tree. I planted this a few days ago. Seems like I can harvest 2 fruit from this. Go ahead and harvest. And what's cool about Sanko Pets is all the interactions are on-chain. Every time you harvest fruit, buy an item, etc., it's all on-chain interactions. Here is my Frame wallet. Go ahead and sign that transaction. Harvest the fruit. Got 2 fruit added. Cool. And I have seeds. I can plant some more crops. But let me go to the store. So I can either eat the fruit that I just got, or I can go to the store and sell it to this shopkeeper. So here, some fruit. Looks like the heart fruit that I harvested. It's going for 0.75 gold each, since I have 2 in my inventory. I can go ahead and click that. Let me sell one of these fruits. Send that off to the contract. Boom, that was sold. See, I got 0.75 more gold. I had 22 before. Now I have 22.75. And yeah, let's see what items are in the shop. Looks like we got a wizard hat. That's pretty cool. There's a baguette. Looks like these were just added today, I think. So I'm going to buy a wizard hat for 12 gold. Go ahead and buy that. And yeah, we can go to Sanko Dex and equip the new item and see how he looks in the store. So I got my Chicky bun. I can go here. Wizard hat is now available because I bought it. He's really rocking it. And we can go ahead and sign this transaction to equip the wizard hat. Go back to the island. Check him out. Very cool. Now, there are a lot of Chickies out there, but this is my Chicky, and I love him. So now we can take a last look and go to the wheel. The wheel is one of our fun mini games that we offer in the Sanko Pets universe. So we can go here. We got this Elvis-looking guy here, ready to spin the wheel for us. So each wheel spin costs 1 gold. So let's go give it a spin. And of course, is an on-chain interaction. Let's see what I win. See if I get lucky. Go for a little spin. Nothing that time, struck out. Gonna do one more. It'd be very cool if I won the jackpot here live on Arbitrum Day. Spinning again. Okay, one gold, 2 gold. Lovely, 2 gold. Got, looks like I broke even with that. Lovely. That is the wheel. I'll call it a day on the wheel. I don't want to push my luck anymore. I'll take what I can get. And yeah, we can go. The last thing here in the Sanko Pets universe right now is the Bella Ciao. So the Bella Ciao is our in-game nightclub. And like I said before, in honor of Arbitrum Day, the doors for the Bella Ciao will be opening in a few hours. So I'm very excited, and I'll see you all here later today. I still have one more slide to go, but thank you. Yeah, last slide here. You can switch to slideshow. At Sanko, we believe that the thesis is really simple. We believe that the value is in users, users who come back, and users who have fun. That is all. Thank you all for attending the Sanko Professional Developers Worldwide Conference 2024. Thank you so much. That's all.